Hello and welcome to John Banks Honda in Colchester. Today we're going to be looking around this used Honda HRV. Now this one in particular is in the advanced trim with the 1.5 petrol hybrid automatic powertrain, and it is a one owner from new with just 39,591 miles on the clock. Being the advanced trim, you do get quite a lot of standard specification on the car. So for example, on the exterior at least, you'll get things such as rear parking sensors, the rear reversing camera, these 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry and keyless start, blind spot assist as well as auto dimming wing mirrors. You'll also get the full LED headlights with the unique DRL signature too. And below that you've got your front parking sensors and your LED fog lights. Moving to the interior of the car, we'll start with the back seats. By being based on a Honda Jazz, you do get to keep all that practicality benefit that you'll find in that model as well. So for example, you'll see you get a generous amount of rear legroom as well as headroom. You'll also notice the upholstery of the vehicle is this black leather two-tone. It has this really nice white contrast stitching in both the fabric and on the leather. All models come with all-round electric windows as well, and you do also get Honda's very quirky magic seats feature as well. So what you do is you simply raise the seat base up, fold in the metal bar to lock it into place, and then you'll see that opens up pretty much all the interior space in the vehicle. So if you have a particularly tall item that won't fit in the boot, it will fit in here. And it's just as easy to take it down as it was up. Simply release the bar and let it drop back into place again. The seats do also fold 60-40, and they take good advantage of all that extra space in the footwell, because as you'll see, once they're folded down, it's completely flat. Moving around to the boot, it's electrically operated, and there's a button just under the Honda logo, and that'll open it up. As you'll see, it's a very large size, and indeed it's actually one of the largest you can find in the class. And again, that's either with the seats up or with the seats down. You do also get one of my favourite features on this model as well. So underneath the boot floor, you have this little cubby hole. So for example, if you've got, say, muddy wellies, instead of putting them in the boot and making it all dirty, you can rinse them off here, and the little drain holes at the bottom let all that dirty water rush out. So it means you can keep your wellies clean as well as the boot. The electric boot also has a couple neat features up its sleeve as well. So the first one is what's on the left. So this button will just simply close the boot, but you can also hold the button in to set it to a specific height. So for example, if you have quite a low garage ceiling, for example, you can set it to that height. So it means it will always open to that height, and it won't damage or dent the exterior of the car or the building. The button on the right, I'll demonstrate now. So this one will illuminate green once pressed. But if, for example, you've got lots of shopping in the back of the car and your hands are full, you can press this button, and it will only close once it detects with the rear parking sensors that you've walked away from the vehicle, locking it automatically. Moving around to the front of the car, we'll hop into the driver's side. And again, you'll see a lot more of that standard high-spec equipment as well. So for example, again, as mentioned earlier, all-round electric windows, but you also get the electrically adjustable wing mirrors that also fold. And to the right of the steering wheel, you've got this little control panel here, which runs through all your safety equipment, your rear parking sensor sounds, as well as opening the boot. Behind the steering wheel, you've also got your digital dash. And to the left of that, you've got your auto lights, auto wipers, with your power start button just behind it. And on the steering wheel itself, on the left, you've got your multimedia controls. On the right-hand side, you've got your adaptive cruise control functions. Below that, you do also have your heated steering wheel function. And in the center, you've got your built-in sat-nav. And below that, you've got your dual zone climate control. Now, these are quite quirky in the sense of if you raise or lower the temperature, you'll see they'll go blue for making it colder, they'll go red, making it hot as well. You'll also find that both the driver and passenger have the heated seats. Below that as well, you've got this little cubby hole that has two USB-A ports to the left and right of it. And below that, you've got another little extra storage space that has your 12-volt socket. In front of that, you've got your automatic gearbox, and then just behind that, you've also got your drive mode select. It'll also show off the fabric on the seats as well, so again, that two-tone. And again, you can really see the white specks in the fabric and that contrast white stitching as well, which do help to just elevate the cabin. So if you feel like this vehicle ticks a lot of your boxes, by all means, please pop on down. We'd love to take you out on a test drive in it. We can also run through any part exchange evaluations should you need us to, and we can also run through any finance quotes should you need them as well.